Heygen pricing. In this video, we are going to check all the plans of this artificial intelligence and see which plan will be suitable for you. And I will explain all this to you. In addition, I have put the link in the description so that you can easily access this price page. In most platforms, there is a free and basic plan that you can use for testing and how it works. This AI also offers this free plan as the first plan, which has no cost for you, and you can check and test the facilities and features very easily. In this plan, you will have 1 credit for making videos. You will have access to 120 avatars, and more than 300 voices are available for you. That these accesses are enough to test this AI. Now, if it was okay and you want to use this AI avatar talking, you can choose other plans and upgrade your account. There are 2 ways to choose these plans: annual and monthly plans. If you want to get the annual plan, you can use a 20% discount. And as you can see, the prices will be different in both monthly and annual modes. Now, the first plan that you can use after the free plan is the creator plan. In the most basic mode of this plan, you get 180 credits for making videos. And everything you had in plan free, you will have here. In addition, you will have access to create 3 instant avatars, which is one of Heygen's new features. And one very important thing in this plan is that premium voices will be available for you. These voices are lock-in free plan. And the last feature that is added in this plan is auto caption, which is the need of many people when making videos. Well, this is great. Now, if the same features were okay for you, but you only had the problem of low credit, that is, you needed more credits, you can increase the number of credits here and buy the number you need and easily personalize your plan easily. In the next plan, you will have newer features. In the business plan, you have full access to all the features of the previous plan, I mean the creator plan. In addition to that, newer features will also be available for you, which I will explain now. In the most basic business plan, you will be given 360 credits, which is much more than the previous plan. If you are a team and you want to use the same account, this plan can be a good option for you. You can invite your colleagues to the panel. And because maybe your works will be more as a team, you can easily increase the credits from here. Of course, you can upgrade your plan after buying an account and there is no problem. In general, in this plan, you have many features that you can read it here by yourself. But if you want more features, I mean the features in this list on the right, you should contact the Heygen team and check the price with them. Finally, click on the Get Started option to select any of these plans. I put the link in the description for you. By the way, I upload many tutorials in this field on this channel. Please like this video if it was useful for you.